Hey guys! Today I'll be showing you how to set up your new Poco phone. I ordered this from Lazada and it took about 15 plus days to arrive. So yeah, I'm really excited to open this up. But I'm not going to go into details what are the specs of my new Poco phone because I'm not a tech channel, so I'm just here to show you guys how I unbox it and how I set this up. So there's actually a jelly case included in this box, so this is a clear jelly case. And now we go to the phone itself. Wow, yay! I have the blue one. Other colors are yellow and black, which are very nice. And peel off the packaging. Yeah, it's really big and quite heavy than my other phone. So yeah, let's set it aside. And of course, we have our charger. I don't know what kind of charger this is. They said it's Type-C charger. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, we have our phone and our jelly case. Actually guys, this is the second time that I'll be setting this up because the first one I actually reset the phone. You just click on the factory data reset, and then this is the second one, the proper reset that you're going to do to personalize your phone. Okay, just follow the steps, and now we're going to choose our preferred language and agree to the terms. So kind of like the basic setup for new phones. And then choose your Wi-Fi. And then set up your password. I like to put a PIN because it requires just 4 numbers, so to make it easier and faster. And then we add the fingerprint. I had a hard time doing this in a long time because my nails are really long and it's having a hard time capturing my fingerprint, but otherwise it's okay. Okay, and finish up setting up the phone. So next step we're going to do is to actually add the GCAM. I'm going to teach you how to download it in case you didn't know. Okay, I placed the link on the description box below, and then you just need to download this application. This will actually enhance your camera, guys. So if you want to enhance your camera, you just need to download this. And then you need to click accept, and then you need to allow installation from unknown apps, and then there you go. Just need to wait. Okay, and it's done. Then you can use it now for whatever you like. You can also replace the icon in the home screen. Replace it from the original camera icon so that it is easily accessible. Okay, so here are my sample pictures that I took using the GCam. Okay, all of these pictures actually are not filtered, so these are just raw pictures taken this morning. And then yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have other questions, please feel free to comment. Bye!